Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to the New York live session. Ken will be with us soon. I'm just checking the markets now. Like we said on the morning session, we'll be on that range. And as you can see, it's coming to 4,500 again.
Yes. Hey, Matthias, how are you doing?
Great, thank you. And you?
Yeah, okay, I'm going to end my call. Okay, I'll speak to you later, okay? I'll call you after 4. Bye.
Good afternoon,
busy,
everyone.
how are you?
Yeah, great, thank you. Have been busy as well.
Yes,
Productive.
what's going on?
Let's say productive.
Productive. Yeah, we're never productive.
Yeah.
So, my
as
friend,
you can see,
what's the market doing? It's still mad.
we came to 45.
Good afternoon, Mr. Mohan Sandhu. It's lovely to have you. Fabulous. And is this Mohan or is it Geet? I think it's Geet, as in how it's pronounced. So which one of you is it? Or is it both of you? More the merrier. So let's take a look at the market, see what's going on, right? We'll do a little summary for you. Right, we're here, up to the stage, look. So we're at 4,500, give or take. So where have we been over the last few hours? So look at that. It cancelled out everything it did yesterday, all the way down from here. There's the wick, but there's the body. All the way down from here, all the way there, all the way back. Look at all that money that you could have made from here. All the way up. Every hour is positive. It will do this. Whether it will do this, as in that or that, is another story. It may be for another day. Yeah. And I'm Matthias.
Yeah.
Can you please clap for my friend Ian? Look
Let's
at that.
go for it.
2.1%.
Well done, Ian.
Yeah.
Well done.
Absolutely brilliant. 2.1%, by the way, on a day, 2% a day, 10% a week, 40% a month. I'm not going to complicate it. 6% a month will double your money in a year. It's called the rule of 72. Okay? 2% a day compounded will give you 50% a month. 2% simple will give you 40% a month. Right? 50% is really interesting because £1,000 becomes 1,500, 2,250, about 3K, about 4K. Within about a year, you've probably got something in the region of 200 to $250,000. Okay? So that's what it means. So well done, Ian. I'm so pleased for you. We've been friends for a while. You've been working with us for the best part of the year, and I'm really, really happy for you. And Matthias, how does that make you feel that we're working with our friends and clients, and this is what they're doing?
That's amazing. That is all the time we are putting here is paying off, because if someone is making money, that is the
If
aim
one
of.
person's making money, that's enough.
Yeah. If you one person is making money on the calls, is more than enough. Because of
Yeah,
course, Khan
100%.
can make money, I can make money, but if we can support more people to make the same consistency, that will be amazing.
Yeah.
We used to have
100%.
cool ones on the call, but she's not here. She's still celebrating her birthday. I think so that will last a little bit. She will go to Portugal next week.
She's made too much money.
She's made too much money. She spent the money now.
And why not?
Soon she will be with us again. And Ian, you're welcome to join us live as well if you want at some point. That will be great to have you here as well. And any of you, if you want to be live with us, just let us know. We can.
Ian, it's our pleasure. Obviously, you've spoken to Matthias on numerous occasions, myself, and I love your enthusiasm. I love how positive you are. You know, I've spoken to you in Australia, right? The early morning calls were amazing, and we're really going to do good things, right? Imagine a year from now where we could be. Yeah, that's what we're aiming for. That's what this is all about. Is when you guys have got a £20,000 account, £50,000 account, £100,000 account, or you're taking, £2,000 a month, £5,000, £10,000, whatever that goal is. This channel, Matthias and I, and the system that we have can help you do that. And that's all we care about, is your success. It's wonderful. So nice. Made my day, Ian. I'm so pleased for you. What do you think, Matthias?
That's it. We are doing something right. That's the main goal.
Yeah, 100%.
That's
so
the main
how
goal.
have the signals been over the last couple of hours? Because I've been really busy with stuff outside and inside of what we're doing.
We had a great profits, but then we had one stop loss as well. Part of the game, guys. Always we say the same, but that is part of the game, is to protect yourself and to give you direction, to tell you where the market is going as well. Okay, protection and direction. Don't take that as a personally or anything. Is to give you direction and to protect yourself. And we had plenty of TP3s today, guys. You don't need to take all of them. If you took some of them, you'll be in, like Ian, 2% plus on the day. And that is the goal.
Beautiful. So where does the market go from here? So 45 will be a key level. So there's loads of room up there. Let me just... Look at that. Are we here now? We go to here. We can go to here. Go to here. Go to here. And all the way up, right? Alternatively, there isn't actually a lot of down. So I've got it in the hour. I'll take it on the day. Need to just expand just so we can see where we are. So we're here. So we could go here, and the fundamentals play a role. And so then we've got some news, FOMC minutes. Yeah. That's today at 7 o'clock. That can move markets because it's the sentiment of what's going on at the Federal Reserve, and so they can do things. They can, affect things. So let me just start to look at one thing, which would be really interesting. So these are the months, right? This is what's going on. Here we go. Look, if you look at the months now, there's the high. There's another almost high, then it sells. So last 3 months selling gold all the way down to $4,000 or ish. Yeah, 4,1 maybe. So can it slip all the way down to there? Anything is possible, but never. Look at where it was. Just 2 years ago. 2000. We think it's having a tough time now. Yeah, 2 years ago it was at 2,000, and now it's at 4,500. So
wow.
It's a bull market. This thing is going to go 10,000, 8,000, etc. Right? There'll be lots of this, but we don't care about that because we don't trade the month. We don't even trade the day. We don't trade the hour. We trade the 1 minute and the 5 minutes. But then if you are part of the new system, Matthias likes to talk about that as the 15 minutes. We'll look at this evening. I haven't used the system. I just observed. So
you're missing out.
But Matthias, I'm not missing out because listen, brother, you're testing.
Yeah,
I know there's so much time, so much opportunity, right?
Yeah, it is.
Because we already have a great system.
That's it.
And we're all, our trading team's amazing. But we have another system which is, not everything. It's not a one size fits all, right? So we do it for you. And one of my clients, dropped 15K in and said, "Oh, it's not trading." I said, "No, it doesn't trade every day. 3 or 4 days of the month. No drawdowns, no nothing, no anxiety." Ian's a part of that. And she said, "That's great, as long as we get the results." I said, "Well, you'd be about 150% up if you'd got in at the beginning of the year, after our fees." Oh my God. So just has no drama. Even the new TWK algo trading system, no drama is there in the last month. Yeah, just tell us what your thoughts are. Give me a little couple of sentences on how you think that's going versus where we've been before in some of the systems. So the market's just having a retraction. It's going to go up. Yeah, so get ready for a buy.
Absolutely,
I'm telling
yeah.
you now, by the way. And that's just my knowledge about knowing what goes on, how the system works.
He's been there every day, isn't it? He's taking the steps, and that's it. You cannot jump before you start to walk, and that is where you are now. Learn how to walk, and soon you will be able to jump, but step by step.
Yeah, 100%. There she goes.
It's like we said on the morning, it's just broke the 85. Now we need to break that 45, and then we'll carry on escalating, going up. But always put the stop loss because we never know. Could be a drop as well, but the potential to go up is big. At least now on the small time frame.
So we await a signal. I'm going to do something which I don't usually do. So on our automated system, we're going to buy 77% possibility of success. Yeah, probability score. Current price 44.96. Targets are 99, 45.01, 45.03, 45.06, 45.09. Right? So that's where it stands. So let's see how this plays out. I haven't taken any of those. SL is at 44.91. Hard SL is at 44.86. Mateus explained that to you. Best entry window 1301 to 1307. So we're outside of that window. And to buy 1320. So I've taken a trade on that system. Let's see what happens. If still open at 1344 UK and TP1 not hit, reduce risk and exit on pullback.
Yeah, that's a lot of you will have those explanation all the time. That's good as well. Helps you to protect
It's great
your
narrative,
capital.
isn't it?
It is, and it's simple as well.
Well, it's simple when you understand it. Right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so within range still. Shot back up, as in came below this little area here. Yeah, did that little there? There's the wick coming down again. Will it do it? So the market's trying to get down there, but not really having a lot of success. So tried there, tried there, tried there, tried there, tried there, tried there. This is on the 1 minute. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes. None of doing it. Tried it there. Did not dip below that. And by the way, if you're on that system that we're on, expect a buy signal very, very soon.
He's on that range now. He's not doing much.
Yeah.
But on the machine learning, on the 50 minutes, I got one signal, and we are nearly on TP1.
Brilliant. So Mateus, you obviously use them with some skills that you've used them before. I haven't.
Yeah.
So I'm being the novice.
Okay.
But I'm just slightly below break even.
Okay.
Which is okay.
And the price is still green now for buy. That means it's a good probability to go at least for TP1.
Yeah, 77 as a score is massive on that system. It doesn't do that very often.
No. 70. I have 77 on overall, and machine learning 79. And direction confidence, I have 71. But it is a green button now. And the stop loss on that one is 44.90 44.82. That means you can put 44.90.50 if you want, because then you average with the hard stop. The hard stop is 50 pips more. I recommend use the standard stop loss, not the hard stop, especially on the beginning, because it's a lot of pips on the hard stop. Still in range on the last signal.
Yeah.
The best entry on the when I refresh when it was 50 minutes, exactly 50 minutes. The best range was between 44.92, 78.78, and 44.94.76. That means we are on the best range to enter now. As you can see, patience is the key as well.
So, Mateus, I took 3 layers from my layering strategy for our other trading team.
Okay.
So I'm in profit on 2 of my trades.
That's great.
And Mateus, let's do this. You know, when we have no signals, let's go over to this side of our business, or this team.
Yeah, I think so. It's a
so
great
we're not
idea.
sitting around for an hour, right?
Yeah. I think so. It's a great idea because every 5 minutes or every 15 minutes we can refresh. And if the probability is higher, we can go for it together.
100%. Okay.
Yeah.
The only thing you guys need is 2 trading accounts. And, you know, Mateus and I had a conversation during the break, and we recommend £1,000, but you can open an account with £250, $300. So if you want to give it a go, do that. Doesn't have to be $1,000, because what we realized was that that's a barrier to entry for some people. I think it's embarrassing if that's a barrier to entry for you living in this country, because both Mateus and I are immigrants, and we know where we come from, what £1,000 actually means, but what also saving doesn't mean. But it is what it is. So, you know, open an account to PU Prime with $250 and start benefiting from that system, if that's all the money you have. If you have $1,000 or £1,000, do it then.
Yeah, it's good to have that amount of money, and you can imagine if you have the first time opening the account with the broker, we always have some bonus as well that will help you to leverage your account.
Yeah, definitely. So I used my layering strategy from our other system to layer into this.
As you can see, patience is the key. On that last signal we got on the 50 minutes standard. 50 minutes standard.
And what Mateus means by standard is standard risk.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's high RR. Yeah. So high profit, high confidence, scalp. There's an option for you to select the way you want to trade. Yeah. I suggest you avoid the signals that are saying greed which is high profit, high this and high that. Because we're not really for get rich quick people, right?
No. Mohan is asking one question. I don't know. I think so. He's mentioned the broke.
Yeah, I'll put it up.
Yeah.
I try and put it there. Yeah, sorry. The broker is PU Prime, and if you talk to your daughter, Pete, she will have all the links, I'm sure. And if you need the links, then we'll send them to you directly. Yeah. Look at that baby go now. Wow. Beautiful. All three. Oh.
That is machine
all
learning.
All three of my lads are in profit.
I told you you will love it.
I do love it. First time I used it, by the way.
Let's go to the applause for them. Well, Duncan.
First time I used
it. That is TP1 on the 50 minutes. That was 77% of probability. And now we are on TP2. Went all the way to TP2. As you can see, the probability is amazing, and you just need to close your trades. And you need to be fast. Don't leave the money on the table. Went to TP1, book it, move your stop loss to break even. You want more TPs, wait for TP2, TP3, and book it. Don't leave money on the table. You need to be fast. Money moves fast, and you need to grab it.
No, money loves speed.
Money loves speed. Yeah, that is your Let's stick with that one. But you saw that is scalping strategy, and it's amazing.
By the way, I'm still in all three of my trades. So TP4 is 4502. TP3 is 4500. We haven't got there yet. Have we got there yet? Let me just check.
No.
99.
But so how are you doing that? Are you moving your stop loss to break even, or you?
Oh yeah, 100%, all the way, all the time.
Okay, that's good.
No, listen, we cannot forget the discipline.
Yeah.
Take the trade, put the stop loss in, put your TP in. Simple.
That's it.
3 steps, right? So if you're layering, then what you need to start doing is you need to start de-risking. So as your layers come into profit, take the worst entry out in profit, and then leave the other 1 or 2, or take the second entry out, whatever you want to do. I've got 3 layers in this. Ian asked me earlier today that, do you layer? When I'm confident, when I'm concentrating, yes. If not, just take 1 trade. Yeah, getting rich slowly is a strategy.
More profits.
So we still haven't had a signal on the manual system. Am I right?
Yeah, on the manual system, not, but as we
Interesting.
did,
And we
we
won't
did
get
take-
one now. By the way, we won't get one. If it keeps going up, we won't get one. So you could have been in on a trade, as I am, with this system now, because we've pulled the signal down. So I'm just taking now TP 96, 97. We're at 98. So we're at TP2. So I'm going to take off one of my layers now. Actually, this keeps going up, but I'm still going to take one off. Put money in the bank.
That's it.
Oh my God.
Look at
Amazing. Amazing,
Let-
Mateus.
that. Let me refresh in that for the next signal. As you can see, we don't have signal on the. You can still buy, can refresh on the 50-minute standard.
Yeah,
You won't see. We still buying. TP1 4505, then 4506, 08, 11, and 14. And the stop loss on that one was 98, 44.98. And the best entry point for that one is between 45 and 45.01.
Okay, we need to be careful now because our trader is saying prepare for a sell. So now you've got to make a decision. Right? Where does it go? Does it come down a bit? I don't know about that.
45.04.09.
You could take the profits. Beautiful. On that account, 2% done just with that one trade.
Amazing.
Mm.
As you can
Close
see,
that all three. Thank you very much.
I'm still on the buy because that's the price didn't came to the.
I agree with you,
Didn't-
Mateus.
I'm on the buy on that one.
Mm. I will get back in if the system actually, yeah. So it's orange now. There's still 76% direction. for a
Yeah,
buy.
that's why I went to the buy, because sometimes
Yeah,
will
good
be
idea.
sometimes will be orange or yellow,
Yeah.
and it's still higher probability to go at least for TP1.
Mm.
Then I just press the button.
Okay, I just pressed the button again. I've ignored our trading team, which I never do, but I have done now.
And book your profits then.
Oh my God, made some money.
Look, the spike.
Mateus, amazing, amazing.
Just book your profit. It's scalping, by the way, guys. It's scalping, by the way. You need to be fast. Just keep booking your profits, okay? Move your stop loss to break even. Book profits as soon as you can. As you can see, that TP1 again on the
No,
machine
don't
learning.
chicken out. Take the profits. This
Take the
is
profits.
huge.
Because that you can refresh every 5 minutes, every 50 minutes you can get a new signal. And if the probability is like 70, look, that's a last probability I took on the 50 minutes was 77, 70 and 87. 87. You can go for it for TP1 with eyes closed, because 87% of that to reach, and we reach TP1. And you book your profits. Be grateful. 40 pips. Go for it. Just refresh and take the next signal.
Mateus, this is next level.
It is.
Oh my God. Why didn't you tell me this 3 months ago when we started? You've been making all this money. Loving it.
Okay, probability on buy is still strong. We have the range. And as you can see, it's very narrow range sometimes, especially on the scalping strategy. The range is 10 pips, 5 pips, 20 pips.
I can press refresh at any time?
Yeah. I recommend you to, if you're using the 5 minutes, I recommend every 5 minutes you refresh. And if you're using the 50 minutes, or you use the 50 minutes, every 50 minutes you refresh. And the same for 1 hour, for half an hour.
Yeah, I know the guys in the meeting were saying the other day that 15 minutes is the best, but I think the 5 minutes for me. Yeah? High profit. Yeah. Wow. I can press anything.
Khan, you are a genius. Please send
me
the link.
No, not really. I'm just an idiot.
No, that is...
time to do this stuff.
Vincent is talking to you now.
Vincent?
Yeah.
Hey.
You see the message there.
Oh, sorry. I didn't see that at all. Hey, Vincent. I'm not a genius at all. Send me a link, Telegram. Mateus, can you sort that out?
Yeah. I will share on Facebook, and I will share as well on YouTube. You are on Facebook now, Vincent. I will share on Facebook right now. That is for our community. You'll be able to reach out to us, and you have the QR code as well. If you want to arrange a call with us, you're free to scan that QR code on the top, and you will be able to join us as well to talk to us.
So look, we had a signal from the other side of our trading team. They said like up 30 pips, but I was involved in this, so I apologize if you're still over there. That's fine. This is an alternative. And we did not have a signal from there for a little while. So it's like, what can we do? I've never used this service before, by the way. We've had it for quite a while, but Mateus was testing it. We've been talking to the team and getting it ready in terms of to offer it to you. We've had clients opening accounts today, which is great, but I've never used it. This is mind-blowing in terms of how good it is. And suddenly I felt so much more confidence. I don't know why that is, but it's really, really good. So, and I've made quite a lot of money. Thank you. Hit 3 TPs.
Amazing.
Yeah, I've got one more trade to go. It doesn't matter, I can close it out now. I would not bother with it. Fantastic. So we keep moving the game on, right? That's the whole idea of this. We keep trading. This is our business, okay? And we keep going every day. Some days we will lose. Some days.
Oh, I'm sorry, Khan.
No, you carry on.
It's just the emotion to book more profits.
You keep booking those profits, brother.
38, yeah. As you can see on the last signal from the manual trading, we got at TP1. But as soon as we are doing that, we were in some buys from the machine learning, And Khan, just read. You did 3 TPs on that, Khan?
4.
4 TPs. As you can see,
So entered. Yeah.
you can combine both of
about to do
them.
the 5th one now. I'm
But,
just about to do the 5th one.
I'm just closing another profit right now as well. While we are talking,
Mateus.
it is amazing. Yeah.
Mateus. No, Mateus. What is this black magic you have? What are you doing with these tradings? It's freaking amazing. I can't believe it.
Yeah.
We did amazing with our manual trading team.
Yeah.
These guys are like, okay, now next level.
It's next level because you can change all the time. The best thing, you don't need to wait for any provider to provide you a signal. You have a lot of updates on the same signal. As soon as you get the signal, you have all the updates. That the range when you need to go, when you need to get out, is next level.
So now we have direction. We have an orange light. We have direction confidence 75%. Yeah, and my goodness. But there's the detail. I mean, obviously, as you know, I set all this up. That we talked to the team, and they were trying to get us on board for like 3-4 months, right?
Yeah, we on the range. Come if you want to buy again. It's a good signal, that one.
Thank you. I'm doing it right now.
It's 84% machine learning probability now.
Goodness me.
That means we are on the range between 0.1.63. As you can see, it's very precise. It's not a 0.4501. It's not 4501. It's very precise on the points. And also it's very precise on the stop loss. If you need to protect yourself straight away, you can go enter and go and put the stop loss. And if you want to be more aggressive with the stop loss or whatever, you have a hard stop. That means you can place the stop loss on that range as well. You don't need to put the normal stop loss, but I recommend, at least on the beginning, to put on the parameters, the normal parameters. But you can always go a little bit.
Sorry, Mateus, we're doing a run through on this at 8 o'clock tonight. So if you haven't got the link, it's in our Telegram group. I think I posted it in the WhatsApp today as well. We will be running through this, and then we could not, due to his busyness, get the owner of this system that devised it on a call, but we will do. Mateus says, I've introduced you to Mateus. Mateus, you met him, haven't you?
Yeah, I met him on the last call. Yeah.
Yeah, so we did this stuff whilst I was in Dubai last month. So it was mind-blowing then. Now?
Well done.
Buddy, we are trading gold with a new machine learning. You can explain to, Hardy that well. My dear brother. Mateus?
You're trading gold with machine. You can trade all the more pairs as well, Hardip. But we like gold. We stick with gold. We have gold on the machine learning, but you even can trade in the future as well soon. BTC on the weekends if you want. But we stick with gold.
Oil is there. Everything's there.
It is there. It's there for people who invest more money as well on the group, I think. For the basic start, you can start with gold. And it's not only gold. I can tell you straight away. It's not only gold. You can do gold, GBP, USD. You can do Euro, USD, Aussie CAD. Those 4 you can do on the standard. As you can see, Khan, close the profits again on that one I sent to you.
Yeah. Fantastic. Beautiful.
Close TP1, move stop loss to break even, and then leave that to TP4 if you want. But for now, book the profits. Yeah. For now, you have.
This is so much faster than what we have today, as in our
It's-
manual trading team.
It is scalping cam. It's like I said to you, especially if we are on the 5 minutes. That's scalping. You need to get in, book profit, get out. Or be two things: stop loss or profit, and 90% can be profit. You need to just keep pressing the button.
So let's take a look at the 5 minutes now. Look at what's going on in the market. Right? Look at what's going on. Up, 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 up. Right? So obviously there'll be a cap somewhere. We don't know where that is. Just need to watch for that. Yeah?
I didn't have time to stop yet.
Now,
I will share the links.
We'll run through all this with you tonight. We'll be doing loads more training and you will get this. Don't worry, brother. Yeah?
We will have, I think so. We were talking about to have like 3 week sessions on the sessions on the week, just to teach you how to do those things.
Mateus is the expert on this, right? I have not used it until today, but I've just hit 5 TPs. And
I'm
go on,
I'm just pressing the button. I don't think too much. I see the numbers, I press the button, I take the profit, and that's it. That's it. But yeah, for beginners, I recommend the 50 minutes standard. Every 50 minutes, you can refresh. And then when you get confident with that, then you can go to the 5 minutes. Scalping is a lot of more signals. Of course, every 5 minutes you can refresh, but then you need to be fast on the 5 minutes, okay? You need to close the profits. The way we're talking to you, close the profits, book the profits. You need to be fast and booking the profits and moving stop loss to break even as soon as you can as well. If you keep doing that, you can keep making money all day.
All day long.
Yeah.
24/5 or 24/7 if you then go and trade crypto. I don't recommend you do that. Find your one thing. If you're doing Forex pairs, find a pair, trade them. All right. I will never ever trade anything other than gold, not because of any other reason, because that's all I know. So I'm going to do this again now, and I never get tired.
47.
Find your one thing, right? My camera's doing weird things. There you go. Do that. Find this. So much for AI, right? So that's what you need to do. Find the one thing. And it doesn't really matter what we're trading, because we are not trading the asset. We're trading the option on the asset. Okay? So don't chase it. You can make 2, 3, 4% a day with this system. I'm just looking at it now for the first time I've ever placed trades. Mateus has been testing it for us, because obviously we test loads of stuff, right? There's loads of things that I test. We get offered loads of stuff, but this is the first thing that we brought to market for a year now. We love it, or he loves it, and I trust him. This is my brother. No, it's true, don't Mateus? If you say
Now you love
it. This is good.
Now you love it as well.
Now I'm like, listen, guys, I'm like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've hit 6 TPs in the last 30, 40 minutes that I've been on this thing. And I've never used it before, by the way. Mateus, have I ever used it?
No.
Looked at it. So I kind of look after the business side of it in that respect, at certain things. So this was something that just Mateus did.
Yeah, he
And
gave me
then we said,
homework. He gave me the homework, but yeah, he's delivered already.
You're my brother, and you look after me, and I look after you. But good God. So I'm gonna take another TP. Thank you. More money.
Okay, guys, I shared the links on Facebook and YouTube for you. You just need to join the free community. You will have access until midnight today. Today we will start to clean up the VIP group, and we'll give the access only if you have the account with PU Prime. We need to do that because the team need to get paid. They are doing one amazing work, and they need to start to get paid for the work they are delivering. The same with the signals and the same with the machine learning. Okay. And tonight we will do the presentation. We will show you how to use it. And from there, we will request you to join the new broker and use that account to trade the machine learning.
No, brilliant, Mateus. I was gonna, say that we will keep bringing stuff to you, right? But at the same time, there are people need to be paid. This is a multi-billion-dollar system, and you won't get to meet the owner today because he's so busy. And but there will be an opportunity to meet him, and/or I'll get a video done from him. But you know what? This is next level stuff, and Mateus, is the first time I used it.
Amazing. I'm glad you use it. You can see the power of it now.
Yeah, you've been praising its, what it can do.
And
it's still that look.
It's still strong.
Sorry,
buy.
You were saying?
It's still a strong buy. You on the range?
Yeah, I'm in one trade still.
Okay, but as you can see, every 5 minutes you can refresh, then you can press the buy again.
Yeah, I use the 5 minutes. So I'm going to do that. 5 standard?
Yeah, I'm using the standard now, right now. But when I'm trading by myself,
74% still? Brilliant.
Yeah, it's still strong. It's still yellow, but it's still strong. If it's more than 70, look at that signal. That signal now. I just refreshed 1 minute ago. 74% direction confidence, overall setup score 80%, machine learning score 83%. Target TP1.
Mohan, sorry, 1 second. Mohan, there is no specific link to that particular site that you're talking about. That's where the signals are generated. So if you're in the VIP group, there's a icon called signal, press that. There's loads of other links. And if you need any more help, then please come tonight, obviously, and or reach out to us in the WhatsApp. They're all there. So we have a massive drop now, Mateus. What happens now?
I don't know. Let me see the stop loss on that one.
You hit stop loss, right?
No. It's not stop loss on that one.
No, it's not for me.
Not for me. It's still in the last one.
44.99. Where's the market? 4,500. For life, hard stop loss is 44.97 for me.
Yeah, you can always move if you like not over leveraging. You can always move your stop loss to the hard stop as well. Because of course we will have.
It's 44.95 the hard stop.
Yeah, we will have stop loss for sure. That is not like a crystal ball, but always if you are not over leveraging, you can always move your stop loss to the hard stop. That will be more pips for sure, but we are reaching less hard stop than stop loss. That is another point as well to have in consideration. But even if you go to stop loss, how many times you reach TP already with the system on the last hour or last half an hour?
Well, it's not a game, is it? So you take your trade. So during that last session, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 TP's hit, money made. So I'm in a couple now. Let's see what goes. And if it drops much lower, I think I will take another trade. I think the system will tell me that.
Yeah, then another 5 minutes. Look, 1 minute, 1 minute to refresh again. But that is one thing. You can take another one, but don't keep chasing as well, because at some point, because we are doing scalping, the signal can change direction. Because
So
we are
true.
we are not only buy, we are buy and selling on that system. We don't get stuck in trades. Put the stop
Okay,
loss.
2 minutes.
Let's see if
Contracts is closed.
as you can see, the signal changed now. The signal is changed for neutral. That means if you're still in the trade, you didn't put the stop loss, now is the time to decide what to do. If you want to put the stop loss, if you want to move the stop loss and things like that. But don't keep chasing. It's a lot of money to be made. You don't need to keep chasing. Okay, let me see. Mohan, you have if you are on the VIP group already, you just need to click on that link on the VIP group and you'll be able to use the machine learning. Okay, because I opened the group for everyone for 48 hours. We stand a little bit more, well, not a day, because we are doing the call tonight. But after that, to be on the VIP, to get the access to the signals on the machine learning, you will need to have one account with the broker. Just reading some message, that's why I stopped, guys. I'm sorry about that. But yeah, let's see. The market is dropping now. As you can see on the last signal, we had the buy on the machine learning, we bought, we booked some profits. We have the sell on the signal as well, profits. And now I'm refreshing the machine learning on the 5-minute standard, and it's still neutral. That means we just wait. If you still have sells, you can hold it if you want, and if you still have buys, you can do the same as well. Okay, maybe you are at break even, at stop loss on the buys. Let me check mine. That came to stop loss on mine. I'm out. I booked some profits already, but that's it. Make it mechanical. Even if we are on the 2 signals now, make it mechanical. And another hour is starting now. Maybe we'll have a new signal. and maybe not, but then I will refresh to see if we have any signals there. $100 pips on the sell. I hope so. If you talk that you're making some profits as well. If you talk the buy before on the machine learning as well, book the profits. Don't leave the money there. And don't let that confuse you as well in buy and sell. On both of them, you can decide which one to use. I'm seeing now confidence is not strong like the buys like before. I will just wait. Okay, I got a buy set up and I will go for it. The buy setup is on the 50 minutes on the machine learning. You have the range between 93 and 95. That is the best entry. And the TP1 is 98.50. And the stop loss is 91.37. As you can see, we are on TP1 nearly there. TP1 already on the machine learning. You can book your profits. But so fast that one, as I told you, scalping strategies, in, out, and refresh for the next signal after 5 minutes. Don't need to keep chasing, guys. That already went to TP1. Don't keep chasing, okay? And if you want to put your stop loss at break even, that's amazing. You protect your capital. If you want to book profits and leave that open, it's completely up to you. I will do always the same approach. I will go to move my stop loss to break even and book some profits, and then I will leave that for TP2, TP3. You can do that, or you can do the trailing the stop loss. You can keep moving your stop loss. As soon as it's in TP1, you move your stop loss to break even. When it goes to TP2, you move to TP1, and so on and so forth. So far, you can do that. That went to TP1 for me. Like I said to you, I booked the profit, moved my stop loss to break even, and another profit on the machine learning.
Wow, Matthias, I heard all that. So exciting. Yeah, I was downstairs and just need to do another coffee, but amazing.
And another signal done, another TP2 on the last signal. As you can see, while you're waiting for the next signal on the manual trading, you can generate your signal and place the trades. And there was another green as well. Was not the best green, was 68, 73,
but it worked, right?
76, but it was a green.
Mm.
And if you don't have that confidence, the yellow is not 70 above, you can go for TP1 close and refresh again.
Let me just grab my phone from downstairs. Give me a second.
Yeah. But by the way, guys, as you can see now on the machine learning, since we start, we had one signal on the sell on the manual trading with the manual trading team, and we have plenty of signals on the machine learning, and often at least TP1 in all of them. Of course, if you don't book the profits and you keep that open, like I did on the last one, can come down to stop loss. But that is because I didn't put break even. I didn't have
Goodness,
had
it
the
is.
time. Yeah, I didn't have the time
Sorry,
to
go
put
on.
break even. I didn't have the time to put break even in one of them. That's why we reached that stop loss. But other than that, was in TP1 already. You just need to be quicker, like I said, especially if you're doing the 5 minutes. Okay. I'm refreshing again. Another 5 minutes. Another strong buy. Into it again. Let's see, the range is between 95, 96. As you can see,
Wow.
10 pips range. And I took it TP1 straight away, guys. Straight away TP1. I didn't have time to share that with you. Especially if we are doing the scalping, 5 minutes, you need to be faster. That's why you start with the 50 minutes. When you get used to it, then you go to the 5 minutes, okay? Protect yourself. That's TP2, by the way, is 0.250. I will put the rest at TP2. Stop loss at break even, 0.250. If that doesn't go, I don't mind. It's at break even, my entry points now.
That's incredible trading, right?
Yeah, it is.
That's just honestly, Mateus, as you know, and guys, I've never hidden this fact that Mateus has been testing it. I've done all the business negotiations and all the rest of that kind of stuff. The boring stuff I get to deal with, he gets to deal with all the exciting stuff, right? But doing the deal and getting on board, and it's not easy because these are multi-million-dollar companies, right? And they don't just take anybody on. They want to know that, can I bring the business? Can I deliver? And all the rest of that kind of stuff. So they're not, they don't just partner with anybody. So we were very privileged. Dear friends of mine, I've got some really, really good contacts in all walks of life. Very blessed. And now today is really the first time I've seen the system in action. Testing it. It's been telling me, Cam, it's really good. It works. Like I said, I've hit 5 or 6 TPs on doing what you guys are doing, and I'm seeing exactly the same as you. And the lovely thing about this is, it's not about not being able to enter, when the trader enters. It's not about, I miss that, because you do this on your terms. Right? You take this out, and you just wrote, I'm going to do this. I cannot explain to you how excited I am for all of you as to what we're offering. Honestly, Mateus, you never told me it was this good.
It is amazing. At least, especially on TP1s. TP1s, I can see all the time. Of course, not always goes to TP3, TP4, or 5, but TP1s is going most of the time.
Phenomenal. So now I understand what everybody was talking about to me, Mateus. Like, we need an NDA, we need this, we will only deal with you if you do this. I'm like, what the? Yeah. Then I met the owner, obviously, and you met him. I met him in Dubai 4 or 5 weeks ago, and I was like, okay. Because the thing with these guys is they're quite geeky, aren't they?
Yeah.
So they don't really have a personality. Right? They probably spent too much time indoors. But this is so exciting.
Book your profits.
Book your
profits. As you can see, we are in TP again. Book your profits. Then we keep
I'm taking some.
Forward.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then now is nearly time to refresh again, guys. If you were 2 hours here, we can
Okay.
refresh many times.
Thanks, Mateus. 5 minutes? Can I refresh 5?
Oh, at 5. Not
I've
right now.
done 5. 54%. Yeah.
Okay, that's
Okay.
not good.
Do I refresh on the
Enough.
15?
Yeah.
15 is 68% confident.
On the 15,
Currently
you
it's
need
4,500.
yeah, on the 15, the best way to refresh is when it's on the 50 minutes. Let's say 1 hour,
So you
50
need to watch
minutes,
the clock,
50
right?
minutes. Yeah, you need to watch the clock.
Got it.
Yeah,
Got it, Mateus. Yeah.
it's like now. It's nearly 10. I've refreshed right now. I'm refreshing now, and we have another buy green. Go for it. 68%. It's still green. It's still great. And was 73 and 76. I'm telling you the way we see those. We see the current price, and then we will see the best entry range should be 10 pips, 20 pips, between 46.88, 96.88, I'm sorry, 98.74. If you have the machine learning, of course, you will not refresh on the same time as me. When you press the button, you get the update. If you press the button again, you will get another update. The numbers will change straight away as soon as you refresh, okay? Don't get caught on that. Just have the overview. That's the range. The stop loss for me is 94, nearly 95. You can put a random number there if you want. And the TP1 is 02 and is already on TP1. No, nearly there. If it breaks that 01, we'll go to TP1 on mine. And then you can do book partials or whatever you want to do and move stop loss break even. Protect yourself. Scalping. Quick. Book profit. Refresh again after 5 minutes. Okay?
Mateus?
Yeah.
Everybody, I'm speechless. Watch this system. I've never traded it. You know, my brother Mateus has done that for us. And he's been telling me it's how good it is. I cannot speak to you today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 TPs hit since this session began. This morning, 1 stop loss and 1 TP. That tells you everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, that tells you everything there is to know. And it's humbling to see a system like this.
And this is on your hands now, guys. We are giving access to you for you to use
Open
it.
the account. Go to PU Prime. Find a few £100. Go and open the account. Because you're gonna get blown away. You're gonna get everything else. Everything you know about signals, everything you know about trading is finished. We have the most amazing algo trading system. 13% up net so far this month. Yeah, 102% up this year. And this thing now is the final piece of the jigsaw for me. TWK was always about delivering value. This is next level stuff.
And guys, if you took the last one, book profits, TP1. Please don't leave the money there. Book the profits. And this is scalping. Don't get stuck on the trade, okay? Especially now we are refreshing every 5 minutes, scalping. Profit take Thank you
Yeah,
very
Matthias,
much.
we're gonna do 5 minutes.
Yeah,
We're gonna do 5 minutes. Yeah.
I think so. 5 minutes is the best. I have
Every
been
5
doing the
minutes,
5.
yeah.
Yeah. It's now another 1 minute to refresh again, but that went to TP 1, 2, 3. That went to TP, nearly TP 4. Went to TP 1, 2, 3. Yeah, TP 3 plus. That's last trade.
Just take the money. Just take the money.
Yeah. That's last signal, guys. I was talking to you. TP3 plus.
Incredible.
And let's refresh again, guys. Let's see. 5 minutes. Another buy. Is on the range of
Matthias took
one.
5 profits that in that couple of seconds. 5 EPs.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely. Look, the new range, guys, for you, I will say only the last numbers is 401.63, 03.55. That's the range. We are on the range now. If you want to wait, you can wait. And TP1 0692, that's nearly 07. That's TP1. And the stop loss on that one for you to have a look, 44.99.
77% probability.
Yeah. 44.99.50. You can put a random number. You don't need to go on the pipettes.
This is black magic.
Yeah.
Well, beautiful.
And you do on the same way, guys. Put the stop loss first. Sometimes you will not have to have time to put stop loss because that will go to
ABC
TP
is always
away.
there. ABC is always there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take the trade, stop loss, take profit. Yeah. ABC 1, 2, 3.
And like I said, because we are doing the 5 minutes scalping, sometimes you will not have the time to put stop loss because you'll be in TP. Close it manually. Just press the button, close, pump. And
100%.
that's it. Like now, you will get so agile with your fingers those days now.
Agile. Love that word, Matthias. I know how difficult it was for you to say that.
Let's go. But yeah, as you can see, nearly another TP1, guys. I told you TP1 where it is. And we are towards TP1. And now, let's say you are 10 pips, 20 pips plus. You want to protect yourself. You can move your stop loss to break even as well. And just wait for that. But I don't recommend you because it's scalping. It's very fast. That can come back to the entry point. But then you need to find your way and do it all the time. And sometimes you can see if he's struggle on the buy, if he's not doing anything, you can always cancel that and wait for the next one.
Yeah, close your trade.
Close your trade. That one is still coming down now. I can move my stop loss on the range of the hard stop if I want, or I just keep the stop loss. It's completely up to you. But I can see the opportunity because I have been testing that. I saw many times coming by nearby the stop loss and going all the way up. I will just wait patience and wait for the next 5 minutes to update. And
I placed another buy.
Yeah, then you. That's
at the bottom of that range.
That I will tell you. Then you can do the layering strategy as well. You can do here as well the layering strategy.
Yeah, because we've learned that, right?
Yeah, if it's on the range, still on the range. If you lose, as you can see, the range is so narrow, it's so small, the range. If you lose, you will not lose a lot as well. That is a good point. It's not 100 pips or anything crazy. Of course, if you go to the hard stop, will be big gap, but I'm using the stop loss. Let me see, 19. That last signal nearly reaches TP1. It's coming down to a stop loss. Is on the range for hard stop as well.
Yep.
I will just see now the refreshing button to see what's the probability. If it's still a strong buy, I can always leave that trade open or decide to close it with a small loss. I'm refreshing again.
What's it saying? Yeah, I'm going to do the same on the 5 minutes.
5 minutes, yeah.
High profit.
And it's still strong. I'm still buying, guys. I will move my stop loss to hard stop. And I will buy on that one.
I'll do the same. Thank you.
And then you don't need to keep chasing as well. If you're happy with your profits, book your profits.
Make money every day.
Make money every day. And if you reach one stop loss, go for a stop loss. Doesn't matter. Will be another signal.
You control this.
Yeah, stop loss is there to protect you.
Yeah.
But don't keep chasing the sells or the buys, because eventually the markets will change. If the market says now is a sell on the next 5 minutes, you don't want to be stuck in 4 trades on sells, you know? If the market says now is a sell and you're buying because you still think that will go up, don't get stuck on that. Just go to stop loss.
So don't overtrade, right?
Don't overtrade. That is the key.
Yeah, exactly.
Why? Because now is a strong buy, but because we are using the 5 minutes, on the next 5 minutes that could change, can go for sell, and you don't want to get stuck in buys if it's another massive probability to sell.
Exactly.
Easy scalping. And then you can see the trend of the market as well on the day. I think so that is a good point for you. If you're going, the market is a buy market, it's a bullish market. We're going for a buy. And then you can go only for the buys if you want. But it's no point. If it's green, go for it. And just trust the process, you know? Trust the process. And as I tested the signals, the 50 minutes are very good probabilities. This 5 minutes, as Khan is seeing, he's testing the 5 minutes, is doing very well as well.
Yes.
And you just need to keep doing that. And as you can see, you have the hard stop. You can always move that to hard stop, but I don't recommend you. The stop loss is small. It's easy for you to control your trading.
So that's 5 minutes. Let's see what goes.
It's retracing a little bit now. And because I have been testing, I saw many times, because the range is very narrow, I saw many times coming nearby the stop loss and going all the way to TP1.
Let's go here on the 1 minute for you guys. So hit the bottom again. Let me expand that. There it is. Let's see what goes. Go to here. Maybe more.
Another 5 minutes, a few seconds. Let's see. Another signal. Because the range is so small as well, try to place 1 or 2 trade stops. You don't need to place 3 or 4, 5, 6. Place 1 or 2 stops. I'm refreshing again. Confidence is strong, very strong now. But as you can see, it's very narrow. TP1 is at 95. Stop loss at 90, 89.96. And TP2 95.50. And don't hesitate, that was a strong signal, but it's very narrow, the TP.
So we are waiting in patience. Market to do what we want to do.
We had one signal on the manual trading on this the sell. If you took it, you book nice profits as well.
Yeah. Look at that.
All the way, yeah. Especially on the half an hour, 50 minutes, 45 minutes. I like to refresh always on the 50 minutes to have the better picture, better vision where the market is going. Now I'm putting and if you make a lot of profits on the day, like I said to you, if you're using the machine learning and you already up to a very good percentage on the day, you up to your target, prepare for a buy.
Here you go.
And let me refresh mine. In 1 minute, I will refresh, I will see as well. But the thing I was telling you is, if you have very good profit on the day, you can always use the hard stop. I will use only stop loss, a normal stop loss. Let's see the update on that signal. We have the range. You know what you need to do. And soon I will refresh the machine learning as well. Next minute.
Okay, we're into the buy. Let's go.
Risk free at 44.88.
Mm-hmm.
That means we are just moving our stop loss to that point, guys. And booking
go.
profits. Yeah, I hope so. You're booking profits, guys. TP1 50 pips.
Let's see what goes. Be interesting.
Yep. And remember what I said.
Look what's happening. Sorry, Matthias. Look what's happening.
Yeah. As you can see, guys, book your profits. We went up and it's coming back to that point again.
100%.
Prepare for a buy, a new buy. TP1.
Yep. Beautiful.
Don't leave the money there. Book your profits. TP1.
Take the money.
Take the money.
Oh, look at that. That's 1 minute? 5 minutes. Look at that. Oh, goodness.
Look the drop. Yeah.
Yeah.
Back to 88.
What's going on, Mateus?
Back in range.
Walk us through it.
We are back in range on the last signal. Is still valid.
Yes, of course. Yes.
As you can see, it's a great opportunity. 88 to
Mm.
82 is the range on the last one. And 44.81 is the stop loss. If you re-enter that, soon you'll be in profit. You're in profit already.
Yeah, I am.
TP1 again. And again, it's back to the range.
Yep.
If you want to re-enter, it's absolutely up to you, but make sure you put the stop loss, okay? Straight away.
Okay, okay, down.
We're still on the range. The range is between 88 to 82. We already took some profits on that trade. You don't need to keep chasing if you already booked some profits, okay? If you're still there, put your stop loss at 81, 44.81. Another 5 minutes. I'm refreshing. As you can see, the last 5 minutes has been refreshing, was all sells. That's I told you, use the stop loss. Why? Because if you get out of the trade, you will have a lot of probabilities to that is changing the direction, because we're scalping, and we had 5, 10, 15, 20. The last 20 minutes, the last 4 candles of 5 minutes was just selling for me on the machine learning.
Mm. So we're coming down. Tess, what do you think?
Yeah, it's the same way that gave me the confirmation to go up is giving me the confirmation it's going down.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah.
So what's the signal system the is saying now?
The manual system, if the price comes to 44.81, we can re-enter again.
And our new system?
Sell.
Yeah.
On the 5 minutes, yeah. Let me see the 50 minutes standard now. Yeah, it still sell.
Okay, so let's see where it goes from here. And what's your new system saying, Tess?
The new system, I will refresh on the next 5 minutes.
Let's see what it's doing.
Let's refresh now, because that is not valid anymore. But in 5 minutes, I will have something.
Okay.
1 minute, I mean.
Oh, wowza. We're going to say, wow.
Yeah, it's still It's still sell for me.
Mm-hmm.
The last one reached TP3.
Mm-hmm.
Is not a strong sell, by the way.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a strong sell. If I'm selling, I will not go for it.
Okay.
Because it's let me put the 5 minutes. 65, 72, 71.
Okay.
It's not a strong sell.
So we are about 15 minutes before our session ends. It's been a wonderfully profitable trading session for me. How's it been for you, Tess?
Great, especially with machine learning. Today was amazing. But as you can see, even on the last signal, was not a strong sell, but went to TP2. Went straight away to TP2. Because the pips are small, you will have more signals for sure, but you just need to take advantage of that as well, and then you will learn as well how to take signals with that new system. $48. Let's see.
Indeed.
Another sell on the system. I got that one as well.
Okay,
is it scalping?
Fantastic.
Is it scalping?
Wonderful.
Another strong sell. And nearly there, nearly there.
We're there.
Nearly there. Another TP. Let's see.
Brilliant. So, Matthias, we buying or selling?
We selling on the
Okay, brilliant.
machine learning
Mm-hmm.
for the last half an hour.
Okay. Right, so we'll go to 30 minutes. Look at that. Good call, right?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's, as I said, the machine learning. You need to put stop loss because at some point change the direction, and then you can be on the sellings again. Okay, it's like on the beginning of the session we buy, amazing TPs, but then eventually one of those signals went to TP1 and we start to go all the way to sellings on the next 5-minute candle. That means if you put your stop loss, if you're doing the right thing always, you'll be able to place those sells as well. Don't keep holding, think that will go all the way to 57. Just we scalping. we are in and out, okay?
That's wonderful.
Especially if you're using the 5 minutes, 50 minutes, we are in and out.
So we are coming up to the end of our session. 7-8 minutes left. I hope you've been inspired and taken some of those new signals. Interesting. Matthias, what do you make of it?
Sorry?
What do you make of it? These new, this machine learning signal service.
It's just crazy. It's you will want to keep pressing the button all the time because you see the probability is amazing, and if you're fast enough to keep booking the profits, it's just wonderful. That's 1% a day, 2% a day is you can do with eyes closed.
Wow.
As you can see, look, I was holding for the sell for the TP. And while I was hold, I placed another one because I was on the range on the last signal. And just TP now on both of them.
Amazing. Well
Both
done.
of them. Then you have a sell again. And then you keep going all day long with that. You don't need to, guys. Just
Brilliant.
book your profits, and that's it. Don't keep chasing as well, okay?
Okay, I will see you at 8 o'clock tonight. And
Yeah.
some of you guys.
And we have one meeting now, straight away after that one.
Yes, of course. We have loads of meetings, Mateus. Am I going on Zoom?
No, I send you the link. Is
Okay.
it's
On
a
my
Google
WhatsApp?
Meet. Google Meet, yeah. WhatsApp.
Great, no problem.
You have been quiet on that session, guys. Let us know if you start to use the machine learning, if you get into the signals. We have profits in both of them. I hope so. You're using that profit, taking the profits, profitable, and that's it.
Yeah, exactly. So here we go. We will see you tonight at 8 o'clock, some of you. So the market is in that. So let's do the hour. So we sold, bought, and then sold again. That's what it does. But we want to make money when we sell or when we buy. What do you think, Mateus?
Absolutely,
this
yeah.
camera thing is like nonsense.
That is why, especially now using the machine learning, that will help you because we will be in both of ways all the time. Buy and sell, buy and sell. At some point, 1 hour will be a buying hour, selling hour. You just need to make sure you put the stop loss, stick with your rules, and book the profits. Because as soon as we change the range, we change the selling or buying, you'll be able to jump on the sell or on the buy as well. Okay? That today you can see the proof of it. The last half an hour was being selling, and the probability was amazing. 74, 72, 83, 84, or higher probability. That means you just need to be patient and follow the rules, and that's it.
That's so good, Mateus. Right, guys, we will see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. Sure, I hope you have had a successful trading session with us and be profitable.
That's it. Bye
Perfect.
for now.
We're off.
And
Bye-bye.
see you
I'll
later.
see you at the meeting.